Hi guys and girls, welcome back to another quick video. Sorry about the shaking on here and all that. Just doing a quick video here. I've just found this £2 coin here. See if I can get it into nice sort of like focus. But yeah, it's 1820 or something it says there. And then it's got Florence on it. Florence Nightingale, 1910. It's a £2 coin. 1910, 1820 by the looks of it. And then let me just move this £2 coin around a minute. See if I can get that in sort of focus, because I've got the 1820 Florence Nightingale, 1910, and there's a picture of two hands and another hand. By the looks of it, it looks like they're holding hands of some sort by the looks of it. Quite cool. It's like someone's grabbing the person's hand and taking the palm of the hand with the two hands. One hand up by the arm bit, and then the other hand by touching the other hand. It's pretty cool actually. I like this one. I only just found this because my mum was just doing some sorting out for the change. Just looking at that. This is actually a genuine £2 coin as well, because it's got Elizabeth II on it. So there we go. So about the light, I'm using a different camera at the moment. I'm using one of my Nikon S6900, 6900. So a little compact camera. So it's pretty cool that I found this one. And this is Reg FID DEF, and this one's 2010, so 2010 by the looks of it. Elizabeth. So there we go. And looks genuine. Anyway, I found another coin as well, guys and girls, which you'll be able to see. I'm trying to use the macro lens on it, because it's a macro thing you can use on it. I've not really seen this one before. DNA double helix, and then it's got a picture. I don't know what this one was intended for, this £2 coin, but there's a picture of a DNA, which is sort of like the blood, basically human blood, but it's the main sort of bridge for humans and their blood type, using through DNA. This one's got DNA double helix on it. I've heard of Helix somewhere. Actually, I'm pretty sure they used that, actually, Helix, in the Assassin's Creed games, to be honest. This one's a £2 coin as well. So it's just some unusual £2 coins, really, that I'm just showing today. Unusual. 2003 this one was done, so this is a really oldish one. So I'm pretty sure they're still circulating these. And this one's Queen Elizabeth again on it. As you can see, it's old in a way, it's not like in the mint condition at all. Elizabeth II. Yeah, Elizabeth II there. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, guys and girls, if you like these sort of videos, coins and all that, unusual coins, if you've got any yourself and all that, let us know in the comments below. I don't think these would be worth anything, though. These.
No, they've got to be from the real mint.
No, I mean, some coins are. If they're old, they don't have to be from the mint, but they can be like worth quite a bit. So yeah, just.
I think so, because.
Not necessarily. There's some coins out there that don't really need to be in mint condition, because there's coins out there that are worth millions of pounds. People have in everyday like sort of situations where they keep collecting and they don't know how much it's worth, but it could be worth a lot. Anyway, guys and girls, I'm recording in 1080p, 25 frames per second, because that's the highest resolution and frame rate that can actually do on this little camera. But yeah, as you can see, it's not bad quality. With the light, I'm using the light. If I turn off the light, it's really terrible. So let's just turn off the light and I'll show you what I mean. Look at that. You can actually see the bad grain in it. It's quite grainy. And I've put the ISO up to around about 16 to 800. Now if I turn this back on, look at that, much cleaner. It's almost like, I mean, you can still see like a little bit of grain, but once it starts getting in focus, starts focusing, it seems to be fine. Anyway, guys and girls, cheers for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode.